This is an Interstate 50 DLA tag trailer, available from Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. It has a 50,000-pound capacity and a 36-foot overall length. It's a tri-axle trailer with an airlift front axle. If you don't need all three axles, the front one can be raised off the ground. The flat deck is 24 feet long. The 6-foot dovetail slope at the back and the spring-assisted ramps give this trailer a low load angle, often called a paver package because it can easily load pavers and other equipment that need a low angle. At the front, there's a pintle hook, 2-speed jack, and a lockable toolbox. Midco Sales is the Interstate trailer dealer in Arizona. Visit us online and follow our YouTube channel to learn more about any of our trailer inventory.